we're going camping, so are you probably. The great playlist arguments have begun, the snacks are packed, but before I pack the car, have you done a safety check on your car and tyres? No? Neither have I. And that's why we've asked Bob Jane T-Marts for some help. So Alex, what are the essential things I've got to check before I go on a holiday road trip?
Right, so your three essentials are check your tyre pressures, check your tyre condition, we can do that by checking tread depth, and also make sure there's a functioning spare in the vehicle.
So how do I do all that?
Let me show you how. Right, so tyre pressure is indicated on the vehicle on the tyre placard.
What's a placard?
So a placard is a small sticker somewhere on the vehicle that shows you the recommended tyre pressure for that vehicle.
I've learned 2 new things already.
Fantastic. So the first thing we do is take the dust cap off, and then we've got the end here of the air pressure gauge. It's got a little hook.
It just clips in.
The placard shows us it needs to be at 35 psi, so we'll inflate it to 35 psi. So the next thing is just how to check your tread depth. So if you pop into any of our Bob Jane T-Mart stores, they'll be able to supply you one of these tread depth indicators.
So I put it here.
Yep, so that's just in the yellow. So what that means is that the tyres are probably soon to be changed, but currently at the moment they're still okay. So now to check your spare, firstly we need to make sure you know where it is. Secondly, we need to make sure it's got the right tyre pressure. Thirdly, we need to make sure it's in good working order.
It's important to have a backup. That's what we've got the twins for at Mamamia.
Exactly. If you don't have a twin or a spare, come and see us, we'll help you out.